Yeah, hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. And what about you?
I'm good too. So
Yeah.
before we proceed, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Actually, okay. My name is Jyoti, and I am an working human, and my schedule is quite so busy schedule. So I'm not getting enough time to practice English. So uh, just a few days back, I was just searching that what should I do to enhance my skills. There there I went through that Cambly and what Flamingo
Clappingo.
something is. There I saw your video.
Okay.
So that apps I saw that, but I thought I have not time to regularly speak with anyone. But after seeing you and your confidence, I thought at least I should speak one time with you. Your smile, I like your smile.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So you are a teacher?
No, not a teacher. Actually, I am working in a manufacturing company.
Okay.
That is, Aditya Birla. That Hindalco Industries Limited.
Okay.
There I am working.
So what do you do? What is your job profile? Would you like to mention something here?
I am in commercial department. So whatever purchase orders are there, we are processing that purchase orders and giving payment to vendors like that.
Okay, so you are handling domestic clients only, or you are handling international clients as well? Because I think Aditya Birla is a big group.
No, I am not in selling part. I am not in selling part.
Okay.
I am handling that part where we are buying spare parts and different items, material which are needed for our manufacturing unit.
Okay. And since long you are serving that company?
It's about 7 years.
Oh, that's so great! Such a long time. Yeah. So you must be having good time there, huh?
Good time is it's good there, but as it is not an MNC company or it's a manufacturing company. So here we are not using that much of English as there.
Yes.
And my work is in system only. So I no need to speak with anyone. I am sitting 8 hours in my system and I need to complete my job in time. And I have to go for home.
Yes, yes.
I have a kid.
Yes.
I have a 5-year-old son.
Oh.
I need to go home.
So it would be somehow difficult for you to manage home, your job, and baby as well. See, baby is too small. Yeah,
it's sometimes it's quite difficult that I feel that whether I should do job or not. That time but by seeing this time that the future of my son, I decided that okay, now I am struggling for that, but after a while he will become older, that time he will be busy in his study. So that time, what should I do? So, and for his study also, financial condition should be a better financial condition we need for today's study. Because
True.
Nowadays we are not seeing that if you are intelligent means we can study whatever you want.
No.
For that we need money.
Yeah, actually nowadays schooling has become so much expensive, to be very frank.
Very, very expensive.
Yes. See, in our time, when I was in 12th standard, I used to pay 500 rupees to a private school. Yeah. And nowadays, you see, for a KG student, I think we need to pay 5,000 or 6,000 rupees. This is too much high.
Yeah. Very, very high. If you compare it with 100 times more than our time.
True. And coming to the income part, there is not so much growth.
Here in India, there is no source of income.
No.
Means you need to struggle so much to get extra income, extra means extra money for your family. And so much people are there. They are means after studying so much, means getting high qualification. Yes. They are not jobless. They are jobless, and they are feeling so much frustrated about studying higher and spending this much of money, and after that not getting any job.
True.
So in India, it's so difficult.
Yes, it is. It is very difficult. So what are your hobbies, Jyoti?
Hobbies actually in my leisure time. Now I'm not doing, but I was quite painting and doing handicrafts and cooking. Actually, I have a cooking channel also.
Yeah, you have? And what is the name of that channel?
Jyoti Ki Dil Se. In that only I commented in your channel.
Oh, sorry, I missed that. Today only I am going to see your channel.
Yeah. Not so much of subscribers.
So what? So
but,
what?
I just did it for my hobby, because for my son, no, he always asks me to prepare new recipes.
Okay.
And that should be good looking, and I need to be careful that whether it should be healthy. So he is not eating vegetables. So what I am doing is I make the puree with that vegetable and make new vegetable. Like one recipe I made with papaya, raw papaya.
Okay.
He is not eating papaya. So I made a papaya recipe with that rava, and make it like small balls, and steam it and make it like chow mein. Then he loved it too.
That's great.
And I make food colors, different food colors, orange, pink, and for that. And he likes it so much. He always asks me, Mom, when you will prepare that recipe? From that day, I decided, okay, I will, whenever I will prepare any new recipe for my son, I recorded it and put it in YouTube.
Yeah, it's very great. Then its channel is very useful for me also, because I also struggle a lot when it comes to my baby's feeding part. Yeah. He also don't like to eat anything, when especially vegetables. He not at all like all these things.
All kids are like that.
Yes, true. So today only I'm going to watch your channel, all your recipes, especially that papaya one.
I hope it will help you.
Yes, it will definitely. If your son has started eating, then my son will also start eating.
How old is your son?
Because all kids are alike.
Yeah.
Yes.
How old is your son?
Sorry?
How old is your son?
He's 4 years old.
4 years. Okay, yes. Mine is 5 years. Same age range.
Yes, same age group. Yeah. So, other than cooking, what you do?
Sometimes I do painting means with watercolor. And some handicrafts, stitching.
Oh, Jyotiki, you are so much talented. See, you do job, you do painting, you do cooking. Huh?
But now I'm not getting time, so I'm not doing it regularly. So whenever I got any holiday, means festival holiday, and something is there, that time I used to do it for 1 or 2 hours, like that, for my home, means a pillow cover or that sofa cover, that I prepare myself in home only.
Such a talented lady you are. See, no. We don't do anything. We are so far from cooking, painting.
Maybe you have other qualities. No, everyone having different qualities.
Yes.
No one is
perfect.
Everyone have their own quality.
Yes, right.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are very simple. I do love to dance, and I do love to listening to songs. And nowadays I'm crazy about speaking English. So I do speak to different people, and I am improving my spoken English. So but you are speaking good now. When did you start practicing about your spoken English?
Practicing, I didn't practice with anyone, but what happened before joining this manufacturing industry, in 2010, I was in Bangalore. So there, after marriage, I went to Bangalore in 2010. and there I got an job there. So there people doesn't know Hindi, and my regional language is Odia. No one is there. So in office they used to speak with their mother tongue or in English.
English only,
and
yes.
I don't understand. Yeah. So most of time they are speaking with English. So I was there. I was feeling so low there that I am not capable of speaking English. So I was just listening to them, and while someone is asking me, I just give only a small answer, and yes. I was not giving answer. But day by day, after because I don't have options to speak in Hindi, yes. I have to speak in English.
Yes.
So I little bit improved my English, but after coming from there, here I lost
everything in his spoken part. Huh?
Here I not
yes.
Any person to speak in English.
See, but Bangalore has taught you good English. You are speaking so well.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, that's true.
That's why I never forget Bangalore.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Means
see, it's all about the surrounding part. You are surrounded. Yeah. Yes, you were surrounded by the people who were habitual of speaking in English or their local language. So yes, it was difficult for you to learn their Kannada language, but yes, English was easy for you.
Yeah, because that is very difficult for me.
Yes.
We know reading, writing English, but only we are not speaking. But while we are listening all that English words,
English.
I spoke more than.
No, it's so good. See, we are here to speak only. So whenever we get time, we should speak a lot. Yeah. We should not lose any opportunity.
Yeah.
yes.
Know each other also, and.
See, English has become a great topic for discussion. We don't need any other topic. If we talk about English, we do have so much to talk on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, true.
Yes. Nowadays, English has become an international language. And if we want to grow in our career, it's very necessary. It's not like that, okay, I'm not going to learn English. It's not my native language. What will I do? What will people think? That all are not going to work actually. So we must have to learn English. We must have to speak in English.
Yeah. Even though you are not doing job also, then also you need to learn it, because in this world, English is so necessary now, because wherever you go, if people doesn't know any other language, but they should
English is a common language. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Like you are the live example. You went to Bangalore and you were not able to speak Kannada and people were not understanding Hindi. That English played an important role. That was the common language.
Yeah.
Yes. Anything else you want to ask, Jyoti, or we should call it for the day?
Today, I think it's evening and here also.
Yes. Yes. So it's nice talking to you. Let's connect any other day now.
Same here. Definitely. We'll definitely talk again.
Yes.
I like you so much.
Oh, thank you so much.